Studio Lounge interviews brought to you by Cook Solutions Group.
Mike Lawson here with CU Broadcast. Welcome back to our continued coverage of the 2025 Technology Councils and Operations Member Experience Councils conference here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona, put on by the fine folks at America's Credit Unions. And right next to me, we have Andrew Chung from Gesa Credit Union. How are you, Andrew?
Good, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm doing all right. Where's Gesa located?
Gesa, we're located in Washington State.
Oh, up north, or
yes,
the great northwest, as they say. How are things up in those neck of the woods?
Good. It's beautiful weather right now.
Yeah,
although we're going to be fall, summer is awesome, and then it's going to get cold soon here in the winter.
But it's a good kind of cold. The Northwest, I love the Northwest. It's just so gorgeous up there and so green, as well it should be. So all right, so let's leave that stuff to the Weather Channel. Let's talk a little technology. How about that?
Sounds good.
So before that, tell me about how the conference is going, because I just found out that you're on the is it the Technology Executive Council?
Technology Executive Council.
Yeah.
Yes.
Share with me how the conference is going from your perspective.
So far, so good. Yeah, like I mentioned, it's been a marathon of a conference so far. So we've had, for the Executive Council members, we actually started our conference Saturday afternoon. So we've had meetings all day Saturday, yesterday as well, before our opening of the conference yesterday, doing strategic planning for the year. So,
and got a couple more days to go.
Yes.
So hang in there, sir.
All right.
It'll be fun. You'll be fun.
I'll try.
All right. So today we're talking about the Cook Solutions Group partnership that you guys have, and kind of a success story, or a mini case study, if you will. So let's start out with what challenges or needs you guys were trying to solve when you guys first partnered up with the fine folks at Cook Solutions Group.
Yeah, and I'll start by giving a little bit background on Gesa, right?
Oh, for sure.
So we are a credit union out of the state of Washington. We've been serving our members for over 70 years.
Well done.
And as part of our vision, we would want our members to be a lifelong, for us to be their lifelong trusted financial partner. And so as part of that, we've been growing rapidly over the last several years, expanding outside of our original area of the Tri-Cities into all over Washington State, and now we're serving members all over the Pacific Northwest. So as part of that growth, which is great, but we've had needs of expanded services in geographic locations, and we were looking for partners to help service all of our branches, within the branches, ATM, cash machines, and provide the security management as well for all of these locations. We've grown up to a little over 45 branches now at this point.
What?
All over the Pacific, mostly in Washington State, and then now into Idaho as well. So that was the need that we had, was finding a partner that could grow with us, and then to provide that consistent service, the quality of service, and the consistency to be able to provide the service all over the Pacific Northwest.
Right. Well, good for you. I mean, I always enjoy credit union growth stories, but with growth sometimes comes growing pains. But it's fortunate there's folks out there like Cook Solutions Group that can help kind of mitigate those pains as well. It sounds like they're doing just that for you guys. So what stood out to you about Cook Consulting Group compared to other vendors that you guys have worked with in the past?
Yeah, for us, what really stood out was their partnership. So they don't view us as another client, they view us as a partner, just like how we view them as a partner. So when there are needs that arise or changes to the industry, changes to technology, they really want to partner with us, work with us to solve solutions, and not just be another client where they're just trying to sell services or sell a solution. So they really do care about our needs, and they try to align with our needs and our missions for the credit union, ultimately to serve our members best we can.
Right on. Well said. Well said. And so let's get to the how here. So how would you describe your working relationship with the Cook Consulting Group team?
To be truly transparent, fully transparent, it's been a great relationship, all the way from our account representatives to all the executives, their project management team. They are so great with their response times, communications, transparency. When there are issues, they'll admit there's issues, or when there are solutions that need to be resolved, they admit that, hey, we might not have it, but we'll work with you to resolve issues. So transparency, great communication. They truly go out of their way. We've had some situations where we needed them to support when things arose, and they stepped up to the plate, and whatever they could do to help out, whether it's on the project level, account level, or the executive level, they were willing to help out whatever they could.
Yeah, that's a true partnership right there for sure. So, all right, so can you share a specific example where Cook Consulting Group's solutions or services made a measurable difference for your members and your operation, your back office operations?
Yeah, we talked about having them help us when there's times of need or when things arise. So we had a situation where between all of our ATMs and ITMs, we have up to about 90 units now, but we were needing to upgrade all of them. The software is on them, and as I mentioned, we are spread all over the state and into Idaho now. Oh, wow. And so this was going to be a very complex project where we really wanted to and needed to minimize downtime for our members, because again, we want our members to trust us, which means that we want to have the most uptime, as much as the uptime as possible, and so that they can rely on us for us to provide all those services, including ATMs and ITMs and such forth. So that was going to be very complex, and the original proposal was around doing it where there was going to be a number of downtime, and we went back to him saying, that really didn't work with us because we really needed to minimize the downtime much as possible. So they went back and took our feedback, devised a plan and schedule that was going to work much better for us to really limit the impact to our members. And so we rolled that plan out, and happy to say that we were successfully upgraded all of the ATMs and ITM with minimal downtime for our members.
Fantastic. And I was thinking, as you're talking, there's some remote areas of Washington, obviously. And so an ATM is, I don't want to say it's a lifeline for a lot of folks, but it's a primary place to do a person's financial transactions. So having that uptime is really important for a lot of those folks, right?
Yeah, and for us too, we are in a number of a little bit more rural areas as well, where there are not as many FIs, and so for some of those areas, like you mentioned, the having ATMs, access to cash, is important for them. Anytime throughout the day.
Yeah, for sure. Well, anything else here to add to wrap up? I mean, what's next for you guys with the folks from Cook Solutions Group?
We're continuing to work with them on any new innovations, and that's another great thing that we do enjoy about Cook is they are always on the forefront of things, whether it's technology, security. So they're always looping us in, partnering us again to help to continue add products and services that's going to help our membership and really continue our mission of having trust in the members trust us as a financial institution. I think we're going to continue to grow on that relationship, and as I mentioned, we are continuing to grow in our footprint geographically and in our membership. So I think it's important to have to select partners that will have the same values, have the same to be able to support, right? Same beliefs, values, and we believe we have that with Cook Security, and so we're excited to continue partnering with them with our growth and to continue to provide the best products and services to our members.
Yeah, it's great to have that alignment for sure on so many levels. So and congrats again on the growth. That's phenomenal and great news for not only your credit, but I think credit unions in the area as well, because I know in the Northwest, credit unions are a pretty big deal. So they have a lot of market share up there. So you guys are continuing to uphold that tradition very, very well. So congrats on that. And,
thank you.
And thank you for your time today, Andrew.
Well done. Appreciate it.
Good job.
Thank you.
Andrew Chung, everybody from Gesa Credit Union in the fine state of Washington, doing some good stuff with the fine folks at Cook Solutions Group. Go check them out.
Studio Lounge interviews brought to you by Cook Solutions Group.